weird angle, but this is the best I could do right now until I set my little thingy up. But let me sit up. But y'all, so right now, okay, wait, time out. Yesterday I went to Kava, and I am in love. Okay, your girl is in love. So I'm about to go to Kava again, honey, again. I'm about to go get me some, and then I'm gonna go to the DeKalb Farmers Market because I need to get some groceries, some like fruits and some meat and stuff. And then I don't know what I'm doing later on today. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what you're gonna. This angle is so weird, so I'm gonna just leave it at that. And I'm gonna just, I guess when I get into Kava or the farmers market, I'll start vlogging again. But y'all, I'm so happy. I'm in a good mood today. It just feels good. It's beautiful outside in Atlanta. Like, what? It feels amazing outside. Like, I literally have on, I just got on a light little jeans jacket today. So, and my voice came back. My voice is back. And I'm just happy. It's still like a little going, like you can hear a little something back there, but it's cool, whatever. So, I'm gonna listen to my jams, and when I get to Kava or the farmers market, I'll start back up. All right, y'all, so it's like the next day. I didn't finish recording yesterday. I don't know why, but I'm about to start prepping my food that I told y'all. I told y'all that I was meal prepping. I think I told y'all that I was gonna be meal prepping or whatever. So yesterday, Asia, she after we went grocery shopping, she seasoned and cleaned the meat. So I'm gonna show y'all. We had got snapper, and then this is some salmon, and then this is some shrimp. We prepping for 5 days. So I guess I could just prop my camera up and y'all could just see. And y'all could just see how I'm doing everything, which is not too much, but yeah, y'all get it. So I'm about to start prepping and put the camera down for a second, but I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm doing, how I'm putting together all the food. So we have our meats, and then we have vegetables, and we're making the overnight. We're gonna do the overnight oats, and we're gonna do the fruit jars. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna just pop up my camera. I'm gonna actually start recording with my camera because I want to make a TikTok and I need my phone. But I'm gonna show you. BRB. So it's, well, let me mix it in. I just threw them in there. So let me tell y'all how I season. I just put black pepper, some Mrs. Dash, some garlic and herb Mrs. Dash, and some peppers and onions. And then this the okra. This is what we're going to stuff our shrimp. Alright y'all, so that's how I make my oats. And got my oat ready for tomorrow and my fruits. This was so good today. Like if you, not even if you're on a diet, like if you just want to eat a little bit cleaner, do this for sure. And then my lunch that I have for tomorrow, I think tomorrow I'm gonna take the shrimp with the broccoli and the spinach. Gonna be hitting tomorrow. And that's it. Like I said, got my oats, got my food. Happy girl. Your girl gonna be slim and trim, okay? I gotta keep bottles on deck. And that's it. I think I'm gonna close out for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm really tired. I'm ready to take a shower and lay my ass down. I need my hair done so bad, but it's okay. I think I'm not gonna do my hair right now because I'm going to the gym and stuff, and it just doesn't make sense unless I have to go somewhere. And right now I don't have nowhere to go. That's why these nails looking the way they are, my hair looking the way it is. So don't mind that, because your girl gets down. If you know, you know. But that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna try my best to keep going and be consistent this year. So you guys just stay tuned to what's coming. Bye.